Hello, if you want to edit photos on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, you can use, for instance, files by Google in order to do so. You can also use Photos app, also made by Google, and you will have pretty much the same mode over there, the edit mode. I'm gonna use this app as an example. So I'm gonna go to images. Over here I have some example images, and if I want to edit a photo, I need to select the image, and then in the bottom right corner we have this pen icon. If you press this button, then you will open the edit menu. You have some suggestions that you can apply, and you can also go to crop to find additional tools. We have tools as well, where we have the magic eraser, unblur, sky, and probably some more depending on the photo. Then we can also adjust. Now some of these options are already selected over here because I used a suggestion, but if I turn it off, then as you can see everything is disabled, and we can scroll through these options in order to apply them. We have some filters as well, and we have a markup where we can create stuff like we can draw with the pen, we can highlight with the highlighter, and we can create a text, and then we can save copy in order to save our edited photo, and then if you go back you should have it first on the list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.